Have you noticed the latest updates to Copilot? One of the newest features, Copilot Cowork, is something I've tried myself, and I think it has huge potential. According to Microsoft, Copilot Cowork can help us handle complex multi-step tasks. Let me explain what that means. In the past, when we used generic AI tool or Copilot, we could only give it single commands, like write a Word document, create a PowerPoint, or analyze this Excel spreadsheet. It was quite limited. But Cowork is different. With just one single prompt, it can generate all the outputs you need, multiple types of document and actions, all within the same interface. Let me show you a real example. Let's say I want to organize an internal training session for all my colleagues. This task actually involves several steps. I need to create a presentation deck in PowerPoint, write a clear Word document explaining the training content, schedule, and target audience. And also, I have to draft a notification email to inform everyone about the training date and plot the schedule in Canada. In the past, I had to do all things one by one manually. But now, I can simply type one prompt into Cowork and it will automatically handle everything in the background. As you can see from my screen, I've already sent out the prompt at the top. Since my first prompt wasn't detailed enough, I didn't specify the training date, duration, or who should attend. Cowork proactively asked me for the missing information. After I fill in the details, it started processing everything behind the scenes and automatically generate the documents I need. Take a look at the Word document. The formatting is clean and professional. The PowerPoint presentation also looks really well designed. And finally, it drafts a notification email saved in my draft mailbox in Outlook. The structure is perfect. I only need to make minor edits, select the recipients, and I can send it right away. The whole process is fast and professional. On top of that, I've tested Cowork with several different work scenarios, and I found that the quality of the output is significantly higher. Not to mention, as it's connected to WorkIQ, it can automatically pull relevant and accurate information from your company emails, team chats, files, and database to complete the task. The results are very reliable. Although Copilot Cowork is still in the testing phase and hasn't been officially released to all Copilot subscribers yet, I believe Microsoft will continue to improve this feature and make it even smoother and more powerful for real work tasks in the future. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. See you next time.